In the last episode, we have seen like how we can install the Laravel by using the casual way. So why I am calling it as a casual way, because this is a bit lengthy way to install the Laravel application. Imagine you have to create 3 or 4 projects, and every time you just call these commands and then install the Laravel application, and then you just cd into the application and then php artisan serve. So what php artisan serve does, we will explain that. I will explain that in the later videos, but this is a bit lengthy way. There is another way, and with the help of 3 words we can create the Laravel application. We can install the Laravel application onto our machine. So that documentation, that piece of code is missing in this Laravel 10 version. So what we need to do is basically we need to go to the Laravel 9 version, and inside here your first Laravel project, click on that, and you can see that this is basically the ordinary way which we have seen previously in our episode. Now this is basically the second way, or you may create new Laravel projects by globally installing the Laravel installer via Composer. Alright, so what it does is basically this will install the Laravel Composer or installer globally on our machine. So how we can do is basically what we need to do is just copy this line of code and just paste it in the command prompt. Alright, so I have already done it and my configuration is set. What you need to do is basically just copy this and paste it inside the command prompt and then click enter. Alright, so what it will do, so that doesn't matter where you open the command prompt. So right now I am in udemy folder. You can just paste it here, or you can just open a new command prompt by entering the cmd, and you can paste the command here as well. That doesn't matter because this will automatically install the Laravel installer globally. After that, what you need to do is basically you can call the Laravel new and then the folder name. How cool is that? So 2 words, and then the third word is basically your folder name. So Laravel new and then the name of the folder, and this will automatically downloads the latest framework version for you onto the machine, onto your machine, either you are using Mac or Windows or any other operating system. So this is basically how you can create the global Laravel composer and then install the Laravel application with just 2 simple words, and then the third is basically your directory name. Alright, so that's about it for this episode, and in the next episode we are going to take a look at the directory structure, what those directories are, what are their purposes, how we can use them, and then gradually, slowly and steady we will dive more deeper into the Laravel framework. So that's about it, and I will see you in the next one.